fix going? Is there a 3? Yes. Wow, is there a 4? Error. This is bizarre. All right, down to 0. We'll go back up to 3. It's literally like a microwave. All right, time to heat up my food. 3 seconds. All right, here goes the microwave. Your food is ready. It's literally like a freaking microwave elevator. The Schindler microwave. Oh, look, I didn't even see that. This thing runs like crap. Now I see why these are rare. They're definitely not that good. Look at that. That's literally the CAD light is built into the COP. That's so weird. Wait, it says like info on here. Just get a all right. That is funky. Just get a look at that COP. Is that like a lamp under it? Oh yeah, just extra light. That was weird. Never seen that before. That button's not very responsive. Oh, you actually do need to push it. Very strange. Anyway.